The number one myth about digital marketing is that you need to be a tech genius. This is simply not true. All you need is a proven blueprint that is being used by people worldwide with great success. I'm Gary and I help people earn online income daily. People like me, people like you, ordinary people. All you need to be is teachable, be consistent, and follow step by step what the program teaches you. The Launchpad 2.0 program by Legacy Builder is just that system that you need, that has that proven blueprint used by people worldwide with great successes. Here in South Africa, we have more than 100 self-made millionaires. And this is in a short period, just since 2022. Now, I can't promise you that it's always going to be easy. And I can't promise you that you're going to make six figures immediately. But what I can promise you is that I will be there every step of the way for you, that I believe in you, even if you don't believe in yourself. Because I have been where you are, on the fence, figuring what is my next move. And I have taken the decision and I haven't looked back since. There is no product creation. There's no advertising costs. There is no inventory that you have to buy and keep. Your monthly expenses is basically maintaining your phone's internet connection. So let me know in the comments how you'd like to get started.